What's going on, guys? 68 Charger here. Welcome back to the page. On this episode, I'm going to be installing a pedal commander on my 2016 Charger. I was actually debating whether or not I should get one of these for my car, and from what I could tell from different reviews, people were saying that it was a lot of fun and definitely is worth it to get one for your car, but it was not worth the full price to get one of these. And with that said, I started looking around on Facebook Marketplace and actually came across this one for $100. So I get a feeling that it is gonna be worth it for $100. So let's go ahead and get it installed and I'll let you know what I think. Thanks for watching, guys. We're looking underneath my dash, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is just remove this retainer right here. So I'm actually using the camera to be able to see. Okay, that one's removed. And I have another one that's right here, so I'm gonna remove this one as well. So I just removed both retainers, and that should be able to come right out now. So I just removed the panel, and I now have access to the pedal. I think I managed to get the camera in a really good position where you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this from the pedal itself. That was pretty easy. And then I'm gonna put the pedal commander connector onto the pedal right now. So that is on there pretty good. I just clipped it. So that's on there, and before I put the panel back on and hook the light back up, I'm just gonna go ahead and test it out to make sure it is working, since I did get it used. So let's go ahead and check it out now. Pedal commander is in. So at this point, all I need to do is turn on the car and make sure that it hopefully does work. I can switch between City, Sport, and Sport Plus. So at this point, I think I'm just gonna put it on Sport Plus, just to try it out from the very beginning, and put it all the way on 4, and we'll see what happens. I don't think that there is a delay anymore like it used to. So let's go ahead and try it out. Gotta make sure I don't hit this guy right here. Yeah, and it's a huge difference. As soon as I step on the gas, it actually goes. I just switched it over to City, and it is a little bit more aggressive than stock, but it's pretty normal driving condition. Whenever I switched it over to that Sports Plus, it did freaking go right away. I know it doesn't add horsepower, but it does give you that throttle response a lot faster, so it does give you that feeling that you do have a little bit more horsepower. Actuality, you don't. I just tested out the pedal commander and it does work and everything, so I went ahead and put this little panel back on. I routed it through the console, and I'm just having it stick out right there. I'm gonna wait and give you a little bit of a better review after I've driven it for a couple of days. I've been driving with the pedal commander all day today. I will say that having it on the Sports Plus mode does get kind of tiring after a while. It's a little bit too aggressive for my taste, and it gets to the point where it's not really that fun to drive like that 24/7. I think that I found my happy medium just having it in like the regular sports mode, without pressing any of the pluses, just keeping around the middle. That one is a little bit better. It's a little bit more aggressive than stock. The Sports Plus, while it is a lot of fun and it kind of peels out as soon as like you hit the gas on every stop sign, makes it fun to drive, but that is what it is. It is fun to drive, but it's not something that could be sustainable for city driving 24/7. And with that said, I can see why that one person that sold me his pedal commander, I can see why he did it. He did tell me that he thought it was a lot of fun, but he just never used it. So in my assessment, I do think that the pedal commander is definitely worth having, but I don't see myself using it as much as I thought I was going to. I probably will be just whenever I'm with friends and showing them what the car can do with the pedal commander. But other than that, I don't think it's really worth the $300 that they sell it for. I would get it for the $100 that I got it for on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.